This week, we are going to talk about the short A, which says app, Anton, apple, app. But we're also going to be talking about this sneaky, or sometimes bossy E. And it is called, sometimes Mrs. Murphy will say sneaky E, where it's silent, and it makes the vowel before it say its name. Or sometimes we call it bossy. And if you ever see an A with a consonant, oops, I didn't mean to touch that. An A with a consonant and then an E after it, you know that that E is going to jump over. It's going to sneak over, and it's going to make that A that's short be long, and it's going to say A. So, for example, here is the word mad. Add. If I put an E behind it, it makes that A long and say made. Same with pan. If I put an E at the end of it, it makes it say paid. Or if I have rat, if I put an E at the end of it, it's going to say rate. Rate. All right, here's a snake. And snap. And flame. And grape. And flat. Who can tell Mrs. Murphy which ones are the short ones? Louis, which ones are short?
Flat, snap.
Snap and flat. Good job. They're short because they have one A. And the A is going to be short and say app. Which ones are long with the bossy or the sneaky E? Ingrid.
Grape and flame.
Good job. Because see how they have that E at the end? And it's being sneaky and bossy. It's going to jump over the consonant and make that A long. Oh, forgot that one. Okay. Now, just to save time, I'll show this a little bit later. We'll do this some more tomorrow just because we're running out of time.
This is actually kind of fun.
But I think I accidentally shut it down. I'll pull it up quick. Okay. Mrs. Murphy is going to show you the bossy E. And I'm pretty sure Mrs. Jensen showed this to you last year. Yeah.
I love this one. He loved this one.
I figured you guys like this one. Eli wasn't. Eli, did you ever learn about bossy? Yeah. Okay.
In Arizona.
In Arizona, you did good. Now,
in Arizona? Yeah. Person.
can you guys tell me? Let me ask Raylan last year, did Mrs. Jensen talk about bossy? Another name for it could be sneaky,
She might have said it once or twice.
but not a lot. Okay. How about, did Mrs. Jensen ever call it silent E?
No.
Yes. Okay. How about, so we have bossy, sneaky, silent. I think those are the three names mainly for the. She didn't do silent.
She didn't do silent.
Okay, we will do silent tomorrow. We'll talk about the silent. It's the same thing. It's just a different name for it. Hey, Brooklyn.
My sister said this. This was a vowel too. W.
We will learn. Yes, your sister is right. Brooklyn says that. Brooklyn says her sister told her that sometimes W is a vowel, and she is right. And we will learn that sometimes W is also a vowel. Normally, you guys think A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, but it's also sometimes W. And we will learn. I will teach you why. Okay. Now, on your sheet, please put your name at the top. Name on the top, please. What? We're going to finish this first. Put your name on. Now, on this page, it says the letter A can stand for the short A sound you hear in can. The long A sound you hear in can be spelled with that bossy E. So A, consonant, bossy E. Now, on this top section, you're going to circle one short A word and one long A word in each sentence. Then we're going to write each word in the correct list below. Kinsley, can you kind of see this over there? And I'll move you at morning break, okay? It's not for you to worry about, person. You should be worried about having your name on your paper. Okay, so on the first sentence, I made it really big so that you could see. Number 1 says, the ducks swam in the lake. I need a short vowel and a long vowel. Libby, what is one short or long? Which one? Which one's short? The ducks swam in the lake. Which word has a short A or a long A? Which one? Ducks? This one? But look, that's not an A.
It's not an A. It's a U.
Libby, what do you think? Lake. Yes, lake has that bossy E at the end that jumps over that K to make the A long. So right now, with your pencil, we're going to circle the word lake and see how this is Murphy crosses that off because I'm showing you it's silent and it jumps over to make that A long. And then we're going to write it over here, number 5.
What? That's long.
Kinsley, did you see that? Kind of. Okay, now you should have lake on number 5 because it's long. Who can show Mrs. Murphy in that sentence a short A word? Raylan?
Swam.
Swam. Good job, Raylan. So we're going to circle swam. And it has a short A because there's only one vowel. Swam. And we're going to write it on number 3. So those are our 2 words that we should have circled. All right, now the next sentence. We got to find 2 more. We waved the man on the bus. Briley, what's one of them? Wave. Good job. That has that bossy E or that silent E that jumps over to make that A long on wave. So circle wave and then write it on number 6.
Miss Murphy.
Now there's one more short one. Wyatt, did you find it? Man, you did find it. Good job. So circle man, make that A short. And it's short because there's no E after it. Okay, when you're done with the top, we're going to go on to the bottom. So make sure you get them circled and wrote down right now. You didn't circle these. Okay. Ellie, did you have a quick question?
I have 5 E's in my whole entire name.
You do, don't you? You have lots of E's.
I have 2 Ellie, Rose, and then Stuart.
Okay. Now, down below here, we're going to add ED and ING to the words. So we're going to add a suffix to make it already happen and happening now. So if I have the word fix, if I already did something, like I fixed something, Ingrid, what do you think it's going to be?
ING.
Okay, that's going to be happening now. So let's put that one over. Oopsie, just ignore him.
That scared me.
Kind of scared us.
That did that to me when I bring the pad. How does the chair fall?
It's just the chair's falling. Can you guys make it say fixing over here? And then on this first line, we got to put fix. It already happened. So going down this column, we're going to have an ED, which means the past. And over here, we're going to have ING, which is happening now. So fixed, fixing. All we're doing is adding that suffix. Fix, fixing. Okay. Once you're done, I want you to think about pack. How can we make that already happen and happening now? John. Thanks, Eli. You think about that. Ellie, what do you think about pack? Add an ED, right? To make it packed. Good job, Ellie. And then if I want it going to happen, Ellie, what would I say? Packing. Good job. Pack. And then add that king of ing. So make sure you add ed to packed to show that it already happened, and packing to show that it's going to happen. All right, number 3, we have play. How do we show that we already played? What do you think, Ellie?
We add an ED.
Yep, so let's put play and then add an ED for played, like you already played. And then if it's going to happen, like you're going to play, what should we put, Lewis?
Playing.
Playing. Good job. And we're going to add the ing. So playing. You guys are getting the hang of it.
Like our coding thing, ING.
Yeah.
I thought it was you. Never give up. Oh, you gave us the hint.
We're really behind. I'm behind this Murphy.
It's okay. You'll catch up. You'll catch up, Carson and I'll leave it up there, okay? I mean Tyson, I call you Carson. All right, the last one is lock. If I already locked something, what should I put, Addie? Locked with an ED, right? Locked. And then, if I'm going to lock something, Addie, what should I put? Locking. So I gotta add that king of ink.
Almost forgot the G.
I almost forgot it? Or you did?
I did.
Oh, good thing you remembered it.